Well, you looked me in the eyes and you said it, and your face can say it all, so I know you meant it. And if I lose my way, well, I know where to find you. Well, I know where to find you. Then I looked you in the eyes with the promise, not brighter than the stars, I'll finish what I started. And if you lose your way, you'll know where to find me. In the dark of the night, follow the light, come back home. In the dark of the night, follow the light, come back home.
All of us seated here today are present for a distinct reason. We have undeniably contributed in helping shape these two as admirable individuals. And in turn, we have watched them transform as a dynamic duo. Kellie and Brett understand this idea firmly and would like to recognize the pivotal love and support by us all.
I saw you standing there with an open heart and with open arms. You welcomed me. I heard you speak my name with thunder and lightning pierced through the shadows as you welcomed me. As you welcomed me. In the dark of the night, follow the light, come back home. In the dark of the night, follow the light, come back home.
Father and God, we thank you for this beautiful, beautiful day. And we thank you for these two beautiful people. We love them, and God, we ask you that you would support them, guide them, direct them, Father, as only you can do. I ask that your light would shine and a path, a light on the path for them, and that you would just be the central focus of their lives. So thank you.
In the dark of the night, follow the light, come back home. In the dark of the night, follow the light, come back home.
I now pronounce you as married. You may kiss the bride.